Marian.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
To all of you. We are here in Imarat. When they Christmas, they give me holiday, whole day, not mapita sal, mita eji, mita iru, ala kef yan. O baden, they had a miss patum, give me pulus for new dress, new shoes, and also see when they eat, they give me dahab. Same. Oh, but then, we are going kanisa to make a pray, to take a picture there. Shukran for Hadam Muhammad Said.
Yes.
Thank you for make up me freedom to all Filipino Catholic. Thank you very much.